So I have this Gilmore hose that I've honestly not been hugely impressed with, but it's been around for a couple years. It's seen some hard use, and the end here has starting to leak. I think this has been deformed, probably been kind of squeezed a little bit too tight, or maybe took some pliers to it, who knows, maybe a channel lock, whatever. It's getting pretty beat up, and the hose is a 100-foot hose that's otherwise in good shape. So I purchased this. This is a Gilmore hose repair kit with a male end. You don't have to buy a Gilmore to Gilmore replacement, but I saw this one for sale, and all the hardware seemed to be very high quality. These aluminum or zinc, whatever they are, they seemed like they're quite well made. Nice, sturdy brass housing with the inlet and all that. And so I figured I'd give this a shot and see if I could stop my hose from leaking. Here goes with the repair. It's a pretty simple operation. There's no real instructions here, but if you've done this before, it shouldn't be too bad. Start off here, and we will cut the hose. We'll do it down below the damaged end. There's the hose. It's a nice, clean cut. Probably could have been a little bit better, but good enough for our purposes. Here's the hose repair assembly. You have your outside piece and then the inside piece. This goes into the hose. It'll work with a 5/8 hose, which this one is. I believe it'll also work with a 3/4 inch hose, as you can see there. And then here is the collar that holds everything in place. This gets inserted in here. Requires some force, which is quite hard to do in front of the camera. Okay, so it's fully inserted, and now we're going to use the piece of the collar, which is separated. It's a 2-piece. If you had a 1-piece collar, you would want to put the collar on first. And you want to get this and put it right up close to the hose. As you can see in the picture. Close to the nozzle, rather. It's a Phillips head, but it has a flat across the top, so you could use either. Would have been nice to see this with an Allen key, honestly. I'm doing this with the hose connected still to the house, since it's 100 foot, so a little bit burden, tiresome to move around, but you could do this with the hose anywhere if you wanted to. I just want to keep these two sides relatively even. That way there's even pressure all the way around. It's basically clamping the hose around that piece of brass. So go back and forth, tighten it down, and we'll be careful not to strip those Phillips head screws. So, nice and even. So, keep going. Do about a turn. This left side has to catch up to the right side. Seems like it's a little looser. And there you go, a repaired hose using the Gilmore repair kit. And we'll see what we have lying around. There you go, there's our hose nozzle. And it will screw right on to our new brass threading. No problems, no leaks. Thanks for watching.